How's guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to go over the most important levels for Bitcoin and what I expect to happen today due to the CPI data. Okay, so today is going to be a very big day, and the reason why it's going to be such a big day is because we have the CPI data coming out within today at around about 4:30 Dubai time. So normally when this comes out, we see a lot of volume, and there's going to be a lot of volatility. So I would suggest not trading during this time, as it would obviously affect your balance. So rather wait for price to set in. So when you see the actual format come out and the actual numbers come out here, then I would wait to see what the market does. Wait a couple minutes, wait about half an hour, and you should see the market start to settle out a bit. Okay, so rather wait for this to happen and then look at potential setups. So I do want to quickly go over a few most important levels I'm looking at right now. So I am currently short on Chainlink because the reason why I'm short on Chainlink is this over here. Okay, so this is the reason, right? So looking at the 1 hour candle closure, it closed respecting this level, the 30-minute close respecting this resistance, and obviously the 15-minute close respecting this level as well. Okay, so because price is respecting the zone and Bitcoin is getting rejected from this resistance over here, I took a short based on the fact that I'm expecting price to come down and retest these areas over here. Okay, so yeah, this is the current trade that I am in for Chainlink. Okay, and the reason why I did take it was, like I said earlier, getting rejected from the zone. So until price actually breaks above this level at 26,300, 26,250, then this trade is probably going to be invalid. But my stop loss is so small, right? You put it above this wick over here. The risk to reward is 1:11, so I can afford to risk on this trade here. Okay. Whereas Bitcoin also getting rejected from this level, so it looks very good. So yeah, that's the current trade I'm in. Obviously here, this is the key level for Bitcoin on the 4 hour time frame, and it touched into that trend line that we drew earlier. You can see it's getting rejected. So yeah, that's why I did take the setup. So if you want to take this trade, obviously I do think that it's going to play out. It looks very clean, very nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's the current setup. So what I'll do is here, I'll take the Fibonacci tool to find my take profit levels. Okay. So I'll take this tool from here to here. And my take profit one would probably be this low here at 5.178. Okay, so that is around about a 2% move. Okay, so if you're using 10 leverage, that's 20%. 20 leverage, that's 40%. So what I'll do is once we hit that zone, I'll put my stop loss to break even and let the trade ride out. Okay, yeah, and as long as Bitcoin stays above this level here, stays below, sorry, we should see price come down. So still looks very clean here. It looks like a good setup. So yeah, let's have a look at a few other charts. Let's have a look at APT. Yeah, so these were my setups I put into yesterday. I didn't obviously take them because it didn't get hit. But when you analyze charts, you want to make sure you pre-analyze these levels so you know what you want in the market, right? So obviously I was waiting for price to close above here to take longs and then take a short back down. But obviously we didn't really get that, okay? So at the moment, APT is coming down here, so I'm going to take this away. This was yesterday's analysis. Did it break these highs? No, it didn't break the highs. So we could expect price to carry on to the downside here. Okay, it does look like price is carry on to the downside. So yeah, this is, if you want to take this short here, you could potentially take a short here now at this level. You put your stops above this level, and you'll take profit at the low, around about a 4% move, which is quite decent. But today, what I'm expecting is, obviously at the moment, before before CPI, I do expect price for Bitcoin to break that 26,300, even go up to 26,500, then come down, because CPI, you see a lot of volatility in the market. So I will be cutting my short a bit early. Let's just say I took the short now, right? So I will be looking at a potential take profit of around about these levels here, probably this level at 2.2854. Okay, so that would be the level I'd be looking at for a take profit. Okay, then for ARB, yeah, so ARB, I mean, at the moment it did break the highs. So we have a level here for Arbitrum at the zone. We have this level here, yeah, and we did break the highs here. So what I would expect here for ARB is that on the 1 hour chart, this is quite interesting. It didn't break these highs. So this is our 1 hour resistance, and obviously we didn't break these highs, so we could expect price to come back down here for ARB. Okay, so bear in mind that this is something that I'm looking at. But obviously at the moment, Bitcoin needs to stay below this key level here. So if it stays below this level here, then obviously these trades should play out quite nicely. So at the moment, just looking for shorts because we add most important resistance over here. Okay. So if we have a look at Cardano now, yeah, so Chainlink actually looks like it's moving quite nicely. Let's go back to this trade. We did take this trade in the setup. I did post it to my Telegram live. So if you are interested in joining that, the link is in the description where you can find that video. I mean that link. And basically, I provide signals. I provide market updates every single day to keep everyone informed on how to trade. And yeah, so this is the signal that I did post on there, and I did take it in the live, which is why I did take the setup. And Bitcoin's coming down nicely, so this is obviously good. APT, we did take that short, beautiful setup. Yeah, so at the moment, looks very, very clean. Looks very, very good. So yeah, my take profit one here is 5.176 for Chainlink. Okay. Yeah, so this looks very, very good here. Bitcoin getting rejected. The nice thing about this setup is it was mainly based on Bitcoin, right? So because Bitcoin was moving up and tapping into this resistance here, you can see that the probability of price breaking this level is, less likely than getting rejected. So that was my main thought process on why I'm taking this LTC short. And then obviously LTC was at a crucial level as well. Okay. So it was a very, it was one of the easiest trades to take because when you look at Bitcoin compared to the altcoins, you want to make sure that both resistances line up in terms of you taking a position or a support lines up with another setup. Okay, so you can see that this is why I did take the setup, and then obviously ARB was also very, very clean at resistance on the 1 hour. It was on the 15, sorry, on the 15, and yeah, it looks very, very clean. And then ARB would have been a nice level to short at as well. Okay, so yeah, at the moment just looking at shorts because of the fact that we did get this level. Okay, I do want to take a look at the dollar index quickly just to see what's happening. Yeah, so the dollar is coming down a bit here on the 4 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, let's have a look. The 1 hour time frame did close below this key level here. So this is obviously quite bullish in a way for crypto. But I would expect a retracement here for the dollar. So this is why we taking these shorts. Okay, so the dollar is coming down. If you want to take the fib from this level here to this level, you can expect a retracement back up to 103.424 for the dollar. Okay, so obviously that is a key level, and if price comes back up to this level here, then it's obviously another key level to look at. So yeah, that's also another reason why taking a short for Chainlink was on the table. Okay, yeah, so very nice position for Chainlink. APT was a nice setup here. I still think that this should come down further. And yeah, those are the setups that I am in. I will be posting another video later to go over some other setups that I'm looking at. But at the moment, these are the current ones that I'm in. It's just Chainlink and APT. Okay. So yeah, looks good. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. Please make sure you like the video. And if you see this video as soon as possible, I will be posting it now. So you guys can take these setups, because it looks like APT is still in the entry zone, whereas Chainlink has come down a bit. So taking entry now just wouldn't make sense. But yeah, make sure you like the video and leave a like and subscribe.